Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pankaj Gupta.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Pankaj. I work in Google's office right here in Bangalore. I lead our engineering teams in India and Singapore for a very important initiative called Next Billion Users. I'm really excited to be here with you today at Google Developer Days because I'm myself of the progress we have been making with our developer product and platforms. Thank you to our speakers, Dan, Sachit, Kaz, Anita, Tal, and Francis. For the rest of the day, you're invited to participate in technical sessions, trainings, code labs, and explore the sandboxes right outside. So please enjoy the Google Developer Days India event. Thank you.
Hi, thank you for taking your time for my session, Real World Machine Learning. I'm Kaz. I'm a developer advocate. It's like an evangelist for developers. So I usually attending the events or meetups like this, speaking about the products and technologies, solutions, to build customized machine learning solutions. So TensorFlow works with the other cloud products such as the Cloud Dataflow, ML Engine, BigQuery, CrowdStretch to build the whole solutions. And of course, you can still continue to use the industry standard tools such as NumPy or Scikit-learn or Matplotlib. So that's it. Thank you so much.
Hey, namaskara, swagata. Hello and welcome to Bangalore. And for those of you from Bangalore, thank you for welcoming us to your wonderful city. My name is Sam Dutton, and I'm a developer to answer your questions and solve your problems in the web area. And come and check out our stuff in the sandbox. Check out the Lighthouse if you haven't seen that already.
The web team is also running 3 hands-on workshops, 90 minutes each. So today, data-driven progressive web apps, how to build web apps that work with data online and off, using Workbox from website to PWA, and then tomorrow morning, combining accelerated mobile pages and PWA. They're in the other building, and come on over, they're free. Bring your laptop and we'll get you to some really interesting stuff.
Yeah. And if you want to learn more about PWAs, I've actually put together a whole bunch of links to great resources at bit.ly/PWA resources. So lots more good stuff there as well too, from external experts. And lastly, always, if you want to learn about what's new on the web, do check out Web Fundamentals. Our content at developers.google.com/web is, right at the forefront. Stuff from people who are building browsers and working on web specs.
And that's it.
Yeah. I mean, most of all, please feel free to contact, Sarah and me and speak to any of the Googlers here.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We're here to learn what you're doing on the web and to find out what we can do to make the web better and help you build great experiences for all your users. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Dan McGrath. I'm a product manager on the Google Cloud team. And I'm going to talk to you today about a new product we've got called Cloud Firestore. So as a way of introducing Google's newest database, Cloud Firestore, I want to give you an build with it. If you have any questions, you can meet me at the office hours area behind the main hall. I'll be in the Firebase session. You can reach out on Twitter with the hashtag Cloud Firestore, or join our Google groups where we've got lots of engineers sitting in there really keen to hear your feedback and also see how you're using it. So check out Firebase Talk and Google Cloud Firestore Discuss. Thank you very much.
At Google I/O, we announced that Kotlin is a supported language for Android development. And today, I'm going to talk about how Kotlin can help you write great code. I'm going to do that by diving into some typical test code that you write every day and adding Kotlin. We're going to go pretty deep, and full warning, most of this talk is code. This will make it so that null checks are valid in Kotlin when you call into the support library. And we've built docs and samples around Kotlin, and we're continuing development in this area. And of course, you. There's more Android developers every day using Kotlin for work and for fun. The Kotlin open source community is still getting started, so now is a perfect time to jump in if you want to start a Kotlin project or work on an existing one. Thanks. Catch me after this at office hours to check out our Kotlin instructor-led training tomorrow if you want to learn more about Kotlin.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. So welcome to GDD India. Today my session is about what's up with the Internet of Things, TensorFlow and the Google Assistant. So I hope you're all excited to see this. So my name's Wayne Pekarsky and I'm a developer advocate at Google. And my job is to talk to developers like you about all the cool things that we're doing in this area. So this is a really new area with lots of exciting possibilities. And I really think you're going to get a lot out of this. So there's a lot of different things that we're talking about. But we're going to talk about a concept today called ubiquitous computing. And computing is going to change, and there's going to be all kinds of new and interesting things that you're going to be able to build. And so I want to bring you up to speed with everyone into their own custom devices. And so these three communities are great places to ask questions and share ideas. Also, I do a lot of posting on social media. I'm Google's developer advocate for IoT and Assistant and so forth. So definitely follow me on Twitter or Google+. If you want to keep up to date with what's going on, I post a lot about the different tools and new things that we're doing. And so definitely keep up to date with that. So that was a quick little summary of what Google has to offer you. And so I want you to take this away and think about all the different possibilities of things that we could make and what kinds of devices that would help benefit people. So think of people who are less fortunate or might not be able to use a regular computer. They might have accessibility issues. And think about how they could benefit from more computing in their lives and what ubiquitous computing could do to help them perform tasks they can't currently perform or to help make their lives better. So think about this. And as I said before, IoT is going to be a huge thing. It's going to be bigger than computers and bigger than phones. It's going to be way bigger than that. And so you definitely want to be a part of it. So come by our sandbox and say hello. And I'm really excited to see what you build with this. Thanks for coming.
Hi, I'm Megan Carney. I manage a team of technical writers who help developers build for the web. I'm also a mom. I have 2 kids. Their names are Amelia and Patrick. And for the past few years, I've been an engineering student learning to build my own web application. Link that I mentioned before to Context and the Facts app. You want to create a webhook and Firebase functions, kind of learn how to get that dialogue going on between your PWA and your Assistant app. And then the final one, which is really cool, is to add push to your Firebase PWA. I linked to probably the best Get Started video out there on push, and also the Stack Overflow discussion that Matt and I had. In general, push notifications are pretty straightforward. You do get used to it once you know that you have to kind of pass in the string and parse it, but it's worth kind of exploring and playing around with it. And that's it. So thanks very much.
Okay. And sending push notifications to your users. I definitely recommend checking it out. And finally, when you want to discuss this with other developers, we have the Actions on Google developer community on Google+. We post regularly there to keep you up to date with the latest news, and we answer questions from developers. We also have a great community on Stack Overflow, so if you have technical questions, definitely post them there. And we're active on Twitter too. So our team is going to be hanging out in the sandbox area, and we'd love for you to stop by and chat with us about building for the Google Assistant. And you should definitely attend the talk tomorrow, which is called What's New with the Google Assistant. So thank you for coming, and enjoy your time at GDD.
Welcome to the last session of the day. You've almost made it. We are almost at the after party. Thank you for coming along to talk. My name is Nick Fortescue. I'm a software engineer on Google Play, and this is my colleague.
Hi, I'm Johannes. I'm a UX designer working with Nick on Google Play.
So I've been working on Google Play since it was Android Market. So every user in Android on every app has an amazing thing. And it's not just technical excellence. Going and adopting the latest phones and making your app have a beautiful design with things that really meets the user's needs can really help you drive more traffic to your app. So thank you so much for your time. Do come and find us. We'll be in the sandbox all day tomorrow, and we'll be at the launch party in a minute. We look forward to launching to you. We'll answer any questions you have about Google Play Console, and look forward to seeing you later. But enjoy the party. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Namaskara, Bengaluru. Namaste, India. Namaskara, Bengaluru.
The browser to call the click function, like if you do element.click, then the order changes because you have that .click function, that function call on the stack. So you'll actually get the answer most of you came up with, 3. That will be the first one in that case, but only when you do that. OK, so my slides have gone weird, but let's see if I can call up the scores. Can I do that? Yes, I can. So here are the final scores. Oh, we've got joint first place. So absolute congratulations to you two. A huge round of applause for everyone in the top 3. And I am standing in the way of you and your after party. So if you're interested in doing more questions, I'm going to be here roughly the same time tomorrow at the end of the day with a new set of questions. So, you know, if you're the kind of person who enjoyed this, then you can come back for more. But go and enjoy the after party. Thank you very much. Bye.